Breaking news, Nigerians. This is really getting tougher. Peter Obi tenders total voter cards. PVCs from 32 states at Presidential Tribunal as Tinubu INEC kicks. This drama is really getting interesting, Nigerians. Welcome back to Prospect Channel TV. Thank you for always coming out here. If you are just joining us, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. The Presidential Petition Court, PEPC, sitting in Abuja on Wednesday, admitted in evidence a bundle of exhibits containing the total number of permanent voters card PVCs that were collected in 32 states of the Federation before the 2023 general elections. Equally admitted in evidence by the Justice Aruna led 5-member panel was a bundle of documents that contained the total number of registered voters in the states. The exhibit was brought before the court by the candidate of the Labour Party, Mr. Peter Obi, who alleged that the presidential election that held on February 25th was rigged in favor of President Bola Tinubu of the ruling All Progressive Congress, APC. According to Vanguard, though Obi's legal team was led by Dr. Levi Uzokwe-San, however, the exhibits were tendered through another senior lawyer in the team, Mr. Peter Afoba-San. The petitioners told the court that the exhibits were duly certified by the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC. However, the electoral body, through its lawyer, Mr. Kemi San, said it was vehemently opposed to the admissibility of the exhibit in evidence. Likewise, President Tinubu and the APC, who are the second and third respondents in the matter, equally challenged the admission of the exhibit in evidence. All the respondents said they would adduce reasons behind their objections in their final written address. Despite the objections, the court admitted in evidence the document on the total number of PVCs from the 32 states and marked them as Exhibit PCN 1 to PCN 32. The court equally admitted in evidence certified true copy of a certificate of compliance on exhibits the petitioners earlier tendered in respect of Edo State. Others electoral documents the court entered in evidence after they were tendered by the petitioners were certified copy of supplementary IREV report from 3 local government areas of Benue State, 2 local governments of Cross River State, 12 local governments of Lagos State, as well as 1 local government in Gombe State. Meanwhile, earlier in the proceedings, the petitioners called 3 more witnesses that testified before the court. Dr. Chibuike Okwe, who appeared as the 8th witness, PW8, in the matter, told the court he is a cyber security expert. The witness, who said he was subpoenaed to appear before the court to give evidence, tendered a document containing a press release the INEC issued prior to the general elections. Led in evidence by a member of Obi's legal team, Mr. Patrick San, the witness told the court that the press release dated November 11, 2022, which was signed by INEC's National Commissioner, Mr. Festus Nkonye, was titled Alleged Plot to Abandon Transmission of Polling Units Result to IREV Portal. Ikwoto San told the court that the witness had in paragraph 26 of his statement on oath referred to sources or materials that were published or used by INEC from 2018 to 2023 with their specific uniform resources identifiers URIs attached. He said the PW8, who was described as an expert witness, equally tendered a report on what he deemed as matter data. All the respondents said they were opposed to the evidence of the witnesses and would give their reasons as at a later stage of the case. Besides, counsel to all the respondents told the court that they were served with statements of the witness, which was about 8 pages, shortly before the proceedings commenced on Wednesday. They therefore prayed the court to defer his cross-examination till Thursday to enable them to study his statement on oath, which was admitted in evidence by the panel. After the court gave the witness the note to vacate the box and return on Thursday, the petitioners called their night witness, Mr. Onoja Sunday, who was led in evidence by Mr. Ikechukwu Ezechukwu San, another member of Obi's legal team, told the court that he is a staff of Women and Children Rescue Initiative and a non-governmental organization. He tendered both his statement on oath and his office identity card, which were both admitted in evidence. While being cross-examined by INEC's lawyer, Mr. Abubakar Mahmood San, the witness told the court that from his observations, voting and counting went well on the day the presidential election held. Asked if his party won election in the polling unit where he observed, and the witness said, "I do not work for any party, neither do I have any candidate." Answering further questions from INEC's lawyer, the witness said, "I did not work with beavers in the polling unit, and from any observation, the officials went away to the Ward Collation Center with Form EC8A polling unit results that was signed by both the INEC officials and party agents." While also being cross-examined by a lawyer in President Tinubu's legal team, Mr. Emmanuel Ukala San, the witness admitted that the subpoena upon which he appeared before the court was not addressed to his organization but to him personally using his village address. He told the court that after votes from the polling unit was counted, INEC officials failed to upload the results to the IRF portal as required by the law. On his part, the APC, through his lead counsel, Prince Lateef San, said it had no question for the witness. Similarly, in his own testimony, the 10th witness, Mr. Kefas Iya, who identified himself as a civil servant, said he was subpoenaed to appear to give evidence before the court. After a copy of a subpoena was tendered without objection from all the respondents, the witness told the court that he served as an ADEC staff of INEC. Following an agreement by all the parties, the court adjourned the case till Thursday. Both Obi and Atiku are expected to close their case on Friday, after which the respondents will open their defense. So guys, as you can see, it's really getting tougher. I'm dropping it here. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not. Thank you.